Thank you. Next we have Kristen Ogden. Kristen Ogden.
Thank you. This time I'm speaking as the co-founder and co-leader of Families for Intractable Pain Relief. I will tell you very quickly that Families for Intractable Pain Relief is comprised of patients and family members of Dr. Forrest Tennant. You've heard him mentioned a number of times. There are 9 families represented here out of his 150 patient population from 8 states. This was that important for us to be here. We, last month, had the opportunity to meet with members of FDA's professional affairs and stakeholder engagement staff, and we presented a specific recommendation that we think provides a reasonable solution that could be implemented quickly, perhaps under FDA's emergency regulatory authority to start. There's an urgent need to establish a certification and registration program that would authorize trained physicians to treat severe intractable pain as needed without restrictions on opioid dosing or duration of care, and without restrictions on non-oral routes of administration or off-label use of non-opioid medications. This regulation should recognize that such treatment as authorized would be authorized exceptions to dose limits or thresholds imposed by CDC, Department of Justice, DEA, Medicare, state laws and guidelines, and insurers. Registration program would authorize the filling of controlled drug prescriptions written by certified physicians across state lines, and it would protect certified physicians from malpractice suits or other liability, provided the patient has consented in writing to non-standard care. It's our position that freedom from pain to the extent achievable is a fundamental human right. And the withdrawal of readily available, effective pain relief is essentially torture. Our government is torturing its citizens. We're allowing torture of citizens who have done nothing wrong, and when it continues and continues and continues, despite input from individuals, it gets pretty close to homicide. And I mean that, and I hate to say it, but I appreciate the opportunity to be here, and I thank the FDA for its interest. Thank you.
Thank you.